In this video, I'll be showing you guys how to get started with OneTrade. So what is OneTrade? OneTrade is an arbitrage company. So they are into arbitrage. Okay, so they buy crypto coins low on one exchange and sell it at higher price on another exchange. So that's what they do basically. Okay, so and how do you get started? It's very simple and straightforward. Okay, so all you have to do is to click the description box below. You are going to see the registration link. Click on the link or copy and paste the registration link to your browser. Okay, so when you copy and paste the registration link to your browser, it will take you to the registration page. So and all you just have to do is to enter your email address. Okay, so leave the partner key like that, then you enter your password. All right, so make sure you use a password that you can easily remember. Okay, and it must be at least 8 characters long. So you click on create account to create an account, and once you are done, you click on login to log in into your account. Okay, so you enter your email address and password to log in into your account, and immediately you log in into your account, you are going to see start button. Next thing you have to do is to click on start or deposit, and you have to, once you click on start and you click on deposit, you will be asked to complete a KYC. So you submit your name, your ID. Okay, so you can use international passport, so that's what I used. Okay, you can also use driver's license or NIN. Just make sure it's a valid ID. So once you've submitted that, then you can now click on deposit, and you see this. Okay, I read and confirm my agreement. To click on it, so you select the network you want to use. So I'm gonna be using BEP20 network, BNB Smart Chain. All right, so as you can see right here, you're depositing to your wallet balance in USDT on the BSC. If you made a mistake when selecting the network or did not specify memo, your payment will not be credited and is not refundable. So make sure you don't do any silly or stupid mistake, because there is no refund if you make any mistake. All right, so I'm going to copy this BSC wallet address, okay, the USDT wallet address. Then I'll go to my Mexi account and click on USDT. I have $100 here. All right, so BTC price is just dumping, going down. Currently now is $61,000. Okay, so I want to use this opportunity to tell you that don't panic. Okay, so if you are interested in accumulating Bitcoin, now is the time, and I have a strategy for that. Okay, so if you're interested in that, in accumulating Bitcoin, make sure you DM me or you drop a comment in the comment section below. Okay, so with 0.01 BTC, you can start accumulating Bitcoin. You can accumulate 61 Bitcoins. Okay, and that 0.01 BTC is currently around, let's say, $62,000. Okay, $62, I mean to say. Okay, so including the gas fee, the network fee. So don't forget that. All right, so and it's a genuine and a tested and trusted strategy. Okay, so with about $62 you can get started. So you start accumulating Bitcoin. So even if Bitcoin price keeps going down, it will be a benefit to you. Okay, by the time the price start pumping, going up, that will be a great advantage. All right, so now I'm gonna click on withdraw and click on on-chain withdrawal. So I'm gonna paste the wallet address, click on allow paste, then click on network, then click on BNB, Binance Smart Chain BEP20. All right, then I'm gonna type 0100.02, then click on confirm. All right, make sure you don't do any mistake. My wallet address F13, it ends with F13. Good. Is it BSC? it is BSC Binance Smart Chain. Good. So we are good to go. Confirm withdrawal. So within few seconds or minutes, okay, the fund should reflect on my OneTrade account. Take note, as you are depositing or investing or putting money, put what you can afford to risk. Okay, this is an investment program, and no investment is actually guaranteed, to say the fact. Okay, so the Bitcoin accumulation strategy of a thing I told you about, that one actually has to do with networking. So, and if you work it, if you do it the way you're supposed to do it, guaranteed you get result. Okay, that one is, sure. Do you understand? Like, the surest way to accumulate Bitcoin. That's it. Because I myself, I decided to test the system. Okay, within, let's say in less than 2 weeks, okay, I actually received 4 payments. That's like times 4 of my investment. So on my Mexi account, the transaction is successful, completed, as you can see right here on the screen. So let's go back to OneTrade and click on operation. Okay, so you're going to see it right here. So it's successful. So the next thing is to click on start. Okay, then you click on start auto trade. You understand and agree that you activate an arbitrage contract that operates continuously until full and actual fulfillment of contract obligations. So check the box right here and click on confirm. All right. So once that is done, you click on start. Okay, so it has started. Yeah, launch field. So it's already running. Okay, so that's it, guys. Thanks very much for watching this video. If you find it helpful, make sure you like, comment, and share it with your teams. Okay, I'll see you guys in the next one. Until next time, peace out.